Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, and Blackout Bingo all offer real money bingo competitions. But they don't all work the same way when it comes to entry fees, withdrawals, and where cash games are available. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking in 2026, what makes each one different, and what to verify before putting your own money into a tournament. Bingo Cash takes the first spot because it's built specifically around competitive bingo for cash prizes. The app separates withdrawable cash from bonus funds, which makes it easier to see what you can actually cash out. Some tournaments require an entry fee, so check the tournament details before joining. Bingo Clash comes in second. Instead of playing against a large bingo room, you compete in head-to-head matches. Avia Games lists PayPal among its withdrawal options for eligible players. Cash competitions aren't available in every location, so check whether the cash game option appears in your account before depositing. Blackout Bingo takes third. It uses a speed-based format where you mark numbers as they appear, rather than playing traditional room-style bingo. The app offers free games and paid tournaments with real money prizes. Paid entries mean you can lose the entry amount, so treat cash tournaments as competitive games, rather than guaranteed earnings. Bingo Tour ranks fourth. It's another Avia Games title and combines bingo with power-ups and competitive events. You can play free content before entering cash competitions. Cash game eligibility and withdrawal options depend on the current rules for your location. Bingo Arena rounds out the list. It offers competitive formats including one-on-one bingo and tournaments with real money prizes. The app uses skill-based matching, so your results depend on how well you perform against other players. Now, there's one check you should make on every app before depositing. Open the withdrawal section first. Look for the minimum cash out amount, available payment methods, processing time, and any identity verification requirement. Also check whether promotional credits are treated differently from cash winnings. That's especially important because real money doesn't mean every dollar shown in your account is immediately withdrawable. Bonus balances can have separate conditions. So the 5 apps to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Arena. If you're trying one for the first time, start with its free play option, confirm the withdrawal rules, and only then decide whether a paid tournament makes sense for you. If this helped you compare the options, like the video and subscribe for more real money app rankings.